Welcome to the next episode of the Dark Web Deacon. Before we begin, be sure to smash that subscribe button, click the bell to turn on notifications. New videos are published every Monday and Thursday, and as always, be sure to like and provide comments.
In today's episode, we're going to talk about the TOR project, and we're going to drill down more specifically to the TOR browser. So the TOR project is a free software and open network that helps you defend against traffic analysis in the form of network surveillance that generally threatens personal freedom and privacy. The individuals who are actually doing this network surveillance could be big tech looking to monetize your online behavior, or governments looking to look at the online behavior of their citizens. The TOR network is a group of volunteer operated servers that allows people to improve their privacy and security on the internet. TOR's users employ this network by connecting through a series of virtual tunnels rather than making a direct connection. This allows both organizations and individuals to share information over public networks without compromising their security. Today we're going to primarily focus on the TOR browser, which really is the centerpiece of the project. The TOR browser contains everything you need to safely browse the internet anonymously. This package requires no special installation, and it's basically just extracted and run. On average, 2 million users connect to the internet via TOR every day. These users are shielded from the data harvesting that exists from tech companies when you use traditional browsers, and can help to keep the user browser's activity anonymous from repressive governments. There are alternatives to TOR that are available. I2P is the Invisible Internet Project, and Freenet browsers are also available. So who created TOR? Some rogue nation, organized crime, a bunch of hackers? The answer is no. The TOR project was initially developed by MIT grads and the US Navy. TOR, T-O-R, is an acronym that stands for the Onion Router. Its purpose is that it allows sites you're visiting to see you as emerging from a random point on the internet, and thus they can't trace your true IP address and your associated identity. So fundamentally, how does it work? Well, TOR protects your identity online, namely your IP address, by encrypting your traffic in at least 3 layers and bouncing it through a chain of 3 volunteer computers chosen among thousands around the world. Each of which strips away 1 layer of encryption before bouncing your data to the next computer. All of this makes it very difficult for anyone to trace your connection from the origin to the destination. So you may start off, you may be someone in France, but the website you're actually going to end up connecting to, you may go from that initial French connection to a server in the UK, potentially to a server in Russia, and then you may end up in a server in the United States. And then that is what the website you're connecting to thinks you're coming from the US. It's that last stop, basically, on that 3-step chain. TOR addresses are masked as a 16-bit random alphanumeric with a .onion address, like this. Be aware, however, the final computer routing your traffic to a destination website in the 3-hop system, known as the exit node, can see all of your activity as you connect to a website. Even if it doesn't know where the activity originated from, privacy experts warn that intelligence services and malicious hackers do run their own exit nodes. So as you exit that 3-hop system, unless you're using HTTPS and encrypting your traffic, they will be able to very easily see a lot of information and easily be able to trace back to potentially who you are and where you're located. In updates over the last few years, TOR has announced updates to its so-called Onion services, which uses TOR's anonymization features to hide not just individuals on the web, but servers too. So allowing so-called dark web sites and other services that can't be physically traced to any locatable computer with these services. Beyond merely covering your tracks as you visit sites, the new features have opened up TOR to a new range of applications and services, enabling a new generation of whistleblowers, platform, and other features such as untraceable messaging. The TOR project really has three main focuses. One is browsing, two is the creation and support of these onion services, and three is messaging. But there are a ton of other projects, and I will list some links down in the description where you can check some of them out. But some of note are the metrics portal. This is an analytics portal of the TOR network. It includes graphs, bandwidth, estimated user base counts, and it's really a great resource for researchers looking to get stats on TOR. There's the pluggable transports project, which is to transform the TOR traffic flow between a client and bridge. This way, sensors who monitor traffic between the client and the bridge will see innocent-looking traffic instead of the actual TOR traffic. There's ORBot, which is a collaboration with the Guardian Project to develop a Google Android mobile operating system. There is Tails, which is a incognito live system that is available through CD or USB distribution with a pre-configured version of an operating system that's very lightweight. And then there's OONI, which is the Open Observation Network Interface. It's a global observation network which aims to collect high-quality data using open methodologies such as free and open source software to share observations and data about various types of methods and the amount of network tampering that's currently occurring in the world. So definitely check them out. I have the link in the description to all of the different projects that are out there. There's also things like HTTPS and NoScript, which are great for actually securing your connections by blocking things like JavaScript and making sure that wherever internet site you go to, that it will convert it to HTTPS, even if that site isn't in that form by default.
Thanks for watching, and as always, please like, subscribe, and provide comments, and turn on notifications by clicking the bell in order to check out future videos published twice a week.